guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kinsley's Corner, and of course I'm Kinsley. And today we'll be trying these toxic waste slime liquors. So I have blue raspberry and strawberry. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna try this one. Ooh, it's Red Bull. Oh my gosh, I think I have to shake it up. Well, the cap just came flying. So. It's actually really good. It has the red ball. Hold on, let me shake it without the cap flying off. Jeez. Let me see. So good. You guys should try this. Okay. Next, strawberry. This is hard to open. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Ow. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got it open and it's so cool because it has the yellow ball. I've never had this one. So, okay, this might be my new favorite. This is really good. That's really good. Look at my tongue. My new favorite. Okay. So that was all for the video, just tasting slime liquor. So hope you like, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. See you guys later. Bye.